Benefits of having sanitizer dispensers in the workplace. As important as your hands are in doing work, they also equally contribute to the transmission of many disease-causing pathogens. The fact that most work facilities such as toilets, bathrooms, and even eating places are shared means that there are great chances of disease transmission among the staff, and even with good office cleaning, personal hygiene is important. This can be addressed by having automatic hand sanitizer dispensers in the workplace, as they have far-reaching benefits which may include the following: improved hygiene. Automated dispensers used in providing sanitizers to workers or staff in the workplace are the best option. Unlike manually operated types that require direct contact every time a worker needs to use it, there is no contact with automated dispensers. This prevents or decreases the chances of disease-causing pathogens passing from one staff or worker to the other. In the long run, there will be a decline in infections among the staff, which is likely to increase productivity. Encourages usability. With an automated sanitizer dispenser in the workplace, many workers are likely to take the time to keep their hands clean. This is not true with a manually operated dispenser, because many consider it to be tedious and therefore tend to avoid it. A touch-free sanitizer dispenser encourages use and increases the number of workers who clean their hands, and this will reduce the number of transmissions of infections among staff members. It is enjoyable. Automated soap dispensers are fun to use, luring even those who would not usually clean their hands to use it, and in the process, the level of transmission of pathogens will decline significantly. In the long run, productivity will be enhanced. Economical. With sanitizer dispensers, the amount of sanitizer that is dispensed is the same every time, unlike manually operated types, where there is no uniformity. Because of this, sanitizer